You'll take us to Sri Lanka, no, from here? So they're doing double duties now. They do fishing also. They work on the boat, and then evening they sell these souvenirs. Fish is really fresh here because it's just by the sea. See how wide that thing is. Rumbanala.
Hi guys, you're watching Just Wish and welcome to a new video. We are here in Rameshwaram and guess what? You see this room behind? Yes, I have this beautiful room all to myself. Thanks to Jeevan Residency. Yes, this is the property that I'm staying here. They gave me a free upgrade. Super sweet of you guys, man. Thank you so much. So I'm here at Rameshwaram and we are here to explore this place. Like you guys would be knowing, this place is one of the 4 dhams. So we will explore the temple side of it, and then there is Dhanushkodi and well, so much more. Before that, let me just quickly show you the room. After all, it's so sweet, it's so nice. Let me show you the room. This is one of the deluxe room. So it's got this nice coffee table arrangement. I can choose to either sit here and work or sit here and work. So that is how it is. This is the bed and I put my clothes and all here. So just covered it so that doesn't look untidy. And this is the hallway as you enter. That's me. And you got a very nice... Where do I shit? Alright, so that's how the room is. I can put my stuff here, my Viaterra clock can come here. The manager was kind enough to hang my jackets here. My riding jacket, it's all dirty. Nice cupboard. Nice place to store something, probably a minibar or something. Spacious room. Love it. Alright, so my bike is parked here. I've done a little bit of chain cleaning in the morning and all set to go. You will know why I'm wearing the riding inners right now. And this is the place that I'm staying, Jeevan Residency. And guess what? Guess, just take a wild guess. Just take a wild guess. Guess what? Check this view out. Oh my goodness, that is turquoise and I'm so excited I can't contain myself. Nonetheless, my bike Kalki is doing top notch except for a few niggles here and there, which is pretty normal. So let's waste no more time. The fountain has started. Let's just move. Okay, let's. Now let's go. So we are here in Holiday Island, right?
Holy Island.
Oh, I'm sorry. I've been saying it all wrong. Akka here manages it. Akka, what's your name?
Sabia.
Sabia Akka. Sabia Akka manages this place. So I came here in the morning to check it out, and I really loved the way the whole thing looks. So Anna here, he's going to coach me. He's a lifeguard. Okay. So he's going to coach me and tell me how to do. So we are doing a couple of things here. I'm super excited. Let's go and give it a try. Let's check the view out, man. So this place, Holy Island, is like a water sport activity. They've got quite a lot of things here. Like they've got jet skis, but unfortunately it's not operational right now. They've got stand-up paddle. They've got wind surfing, which I'm really interested in trying. What else? Kayaking. Yeah, those are some things that I will try as well. As a biker, it gives me immense pleasure to announce that my riding inners, these, yeah, are now doubling up as swimming costume because they dry faster. Did anyone notice that? How could you not notice it? It's beautiful, lovely, turquoise. First time in my life windsurfing. So basically the essence of what I kind of believe in is to try as much first experiences in life as possible before your time is over. So yeah, one shot. Wait, let me get on.
Leave it. Draw. Steady. Dig it. That was fun. Super. Thank you. At least I gave it a try. As easy as it may seem, it is not easy. I don't think I have any energy left. Alright, so next up is their boat ride to Sri Lanka. Yes, we go to Bhaiya, you'll take us to Sri Lanka, no, from here? Okay, if Coast Guard is not watching, then you'll take me. Tomorrow morning I'll go with you. So I'm sharing this boat ride with this family here, and the little boy already knows my YouTube channel. Cheers, boy, if you're watching this. We're done with the boat ride. Quite a workout. Now we are going to do kayaking. You do right, I'll do left. Perfect. Oh, shit. Oh, that was tiring but so fulfilling. Man, this place is so underrated for water sports, man. Just one place here that I saw. And but if you look, for about 1 kilometer you can walk. Yes, you can just walk, and this is not even the season. Now you are supposed to come, if you come around March, they say the water is more clear and you can do snorkeling and quite a lot of things. And Sri Lanka is somewhere that side. I was totally joking when I told you guys that we were going to Sri Lanka. It is not allowed. You cannot do that. It's illegal. Only smugglers do that, and they get caught by the Coast Guard and then get jailed and whatever happens. Nonetheless, now let's go back to the hotel. Make payments and let's go back to the hotels. And both of them trained me and I failed. How did I do for windsurfing? How was my performance?
Yeah, good.
He's lying. I did very bad, and Akka is helping me make the payments. Akka, can you tell us the charges approximately? What are the charges so that I can?
Windsurfing 1,500 for 1.5 hours. Guide will give a training.
Okay, and
Yeah, stand-up board will do. You
How many stand-up
half an hour guide will be training and half an hour self. Total 1 hour per person 500. And another one kayaking will do the self-driving boat Per person 300 for duration one night.
Very nice.
So right now 3 rides are there.
3 rides. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
If you guys are interested, I will leave their brochure details here. Here are the details. This is the detail. You got their contact number nahi hai, upar hai. This is the contact detail that you can come and try at Holy Island. Bye bye. All right, the sun has set. I mean, the sun has already set. It's extremely beautiful there. The sky is pink, yeah, and the sea is, oh my God, so beautiful. By the way, if you remember me going out in the morning, this is our security guard, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Security Anna, very sweet man, very sweet man. Thank you for all help.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you. So in the morning when I was coming out of the driveway, he was the guy who was holding my camera and shooting the shot. Anyways, well guys, it just occurs to me that my bro at Painful Pleasures, from where I got this tattoo made, in case you are wondering how this tattoo is doing, it's come out really well. He told me, do not expose it to sun and do not get into the sea. And I did exactly that. I don't know what to do now. I'll have to give him a call and ask ki abhi. So I am very hungry right now. I'm going to quickly go take a ride around town, find something to eat because kitchen here opens at 7:30 p.m. and it's around 1.5 hours more. There, I can see Navy ships. Navy, Coast Guard, huh? Huh. Okay, okay. So here actually there's not a lot of waves. The water is very calm. This is a nice little park where people come and chill and play. And I know you can see the view, right? Coconut. Kitna bhaiya? Kitna? 30. Big one. Full water. 1 minute. வேண்டாம்
ரொம்ப சவுண்டு மேலே இருக்கிற வீட்டில் நல்லது கண்ணீர் நாகூர் எதுவுமே வரும்
தமிழ் இல்லை
बचने वाला जी गणेश भगवान है घर पे नजर नहीं लगाएंगे देखो 50 रुपया ज़्यादा नहीं जी गणेश भगवान है पुट्टा पुट्टा नहीं
मैं अभी हूँ मैं कल आके ले लूँगा
हम नहीं आता कल मच्छी पकड़ने वाला आदमी घर पे रखने का नज़र के लिए बढ़िया रहता है ज़्यादा रस नहीं आई 300-400 जी इसको देने होने का प्रसाद के लिए याद रहता जी 50 रुपये में जी घंटा नहीं देता जी
सर को एक मिनट इधर आओ
दूर से आ रहे हैं तो प्रसाद
I stopped here to have coconut, but Anna here, he came me to give this shell. He tells me that he's had a difficult time, not able to sell these because tourists are not coming and things have generally been very difficult.
टूरिस्ट नहीं आ रहे
Tourists bilkul nahi aa.
कम में
So it kind of now becomes a moral responsibility. I know I cannot take this too far because I'm already loaded, but I'll still pick one of these just to help him. ये कितने का है?
50 रुपये
50 rupees दे देते हैं थोड़ा बहुत. As much as we can help, we should help local communities. That's the only way they will survive. So these are basically fisher folks. They आप लोग fishing करते हो ना? Fisher.
फिशरमैन है
आप fisherman हो? Morning में fishing जाते हो?
मॉर्निंग फिशिंग नहीं जाता काम करता है उधर
किधर?
उधर बोट पे
अच्छा बोट पे काम करते
काम
हो
करता है, फिशिंग नहीं जाता।
so they are doing double duties now they do fishing also they work on the boat and then evening they sell these
पूरा
souvenirs
सब काम है ये पूरा।
सब काम है okay Anna thank you so much now coconut Anna and me we are having this इसको क्या बोलते हैं what is this what पेर Muppalli so we are having Muppalli by the beach and from this Anna here helping one more Anna. So he mixes this, which is white matter, coconut, and with that he adds this, which is groundnut, and some masala, and he serves. Thank you. Rumbanala. So far, Rameshwaram experience has been spectacular. Totally loved it. Wow, Damru. Shivatandam Damru. This is like a marketplace where all the pilgrims congregate. There is a Gujarat Bhavan here and basically ashrams and stays for people to come in. Gujarati Bhojanalaya. आप किसी को बेच देना ठीक है in the proximity of the temple you do not get non-veg food you have to go a little further away to get non-veg food what is this aloo pickle what is this so this is Hotel Chola and I asked somebody on the street where should I go and have some food and so they directed me to Hotel Chola and looks like a place where the locals come and eat and I ordered for a fish meal. Fish is really fresh here because it's just by the sea so I'm told to eat fish. So like I always say, sambar has a change in flavor in every state of South India. One piece, how much? 50 rupees. Oh, so much. Give one piece. So because the fish is so fresh and so tasty, I ordered for a fish fry. Check it out. Check out my fish fry. So it's coated with a red masala. I'm going to squeeze some lime on it. And see how white that thing is. Truly. So the folks at the water park told me fish is really fresh here. So if you're eating, eat fish. And damn, they were right. Okay, so I am so full now. I'm so full. So this is the Chola Hotel, if you can see, the Chola Hotel. Pretty basic eating option, but if you come to Rameshwaram, you can give this a try. It's a very basic, no-nonsense eatery. You get veg, non-veg meals starting from 100 to 130, 180 is the mutton meal. So I had the fish meal, it was really good. So it's been an interesting day. Let's close the vlog here. I will see you guys tomorrow and until then, don't forget to live life with a dash of adventure. Bye bye.